Hey everyone, welcome back to The Explainer. Today we are unpacking a massive, literally structural transformation happening right now in the digital world. It's a fundamental shift in how we discover information online, and we're going to walk through exactly how this new architecture works.
Okay, let's dive right into this. Section 1. The broken search engine.
So let me ask you, are you actually searching for the truth, or are you just searching for ads? Because honestly, it's an exhausting reality, right? You jump online looking for a simple, honest piece of information, and bam, you're forced to wade through heavily biased search results, crazy SEO manipulation, and endless paid placements. It feels way less like discovery and more like you're just being sold to constantly.
And this brilliantly illustrates the stark contrast we're dealing with today. Look at the current internet. It's weighed down by SEO games, relentless paid placements, and an ever-growing army of bots. It's a noisy, frustrating mess. But then, you look at Layer 4. It represents a completely different paradigm. It's an internet anchored, not in algorithms built for the highest bidder, but in verified human identity and decentralized domains. It's a real game changer.
Which brings us to Section 2, introducing HELION and the Layer 4 architecture.
So what exactly is HELION? Well, it stands for the Hyper-Efficient Logical Information Oracle Network. I know, it's quite the tech buzzword. But at its core, it acts as a brand new standard. Actually, scratch that. Think of it more like an oracle for digital truth. It fundamentally changes how data is validated before it ever even reaches your screen. Because of this, your discovery process becomes rooted in reality. HELION is basically reinventing search from the ground up by anchoring all information in verified identity. So, instead of relying on these opaque corporate algorithms dictating what you see, every single piece of content is tied to a real, verifiable source. It literally anchors the digital world back into the physical world, prioritizing facts over manipulation.
Moving on to Section 3, real benefits for you.
So what does this all mean for you, the end user? Well, HELION delivers on 4 core pillars. Think of these as the direct antidotes to all those current internet frustrations we just talked about. Bot-free results, sovereign domains, privacy-first discovery, and zero phishing. Let's take a quick deep dive into each of these to understand exactly how they protect and empower you online.
First up is bot-free results. So, the crucial point here is that HELION uses what's called a UIID filter to prioritize content created by real, actual human beings. And the stakes here are incredibly high. When you're searching for critical medical advice or you're analyzing breaking financial news, you absolutely need to know you are reading insights from a verified person, not some AI bot farm spinning out fake articles. This filter guarantees that authentic human connection.
Next, let's talk about sovereign domains. Think about your current digital footprint for a second. You don't really own it, do you? You're kind of just renting it. But with the Linkspreed Name Service, or LNS, you can register .w4 or .link domains that are tied to your identity forever. No central registrar is going to swoop in and reclaim your name. Nobody can suddenly hike the prices on you. You get to speak online from a digital address that you permanently, sovereignly own. The whole shebang.
And as you can see, this technology neatly neutralizes 2 major, everyday threats: data profiling and fake sites. Right now, your searches are being weaponized to build psychological profiles for advertisers. But HELION counters this with privacy-first discovery, using local-only AI to understand exactly what you're looking for, completely privately. Plus, because domains are verified through that UID protocol we mentioned, the risk of landing on a malicious phishing site is mathematically eliminated at the network level. Zero phishing.
Finally, Section 4, restoring internet trust. The source material sums up this overarching transformation so perfectly. It says HELION helps you find what is real, what is verified, and what is relevant to your sovereign life. I love that. It doesn't just block the bad stuff, it actively guides you toward the truth. It acts as an arbiter of verified reality, restoring that foundational trust the internet has been missing for years now. Which leaves us with a final, really provocative thought. Now that verified truth is an actual architectural option, will you ever trust the old internet again? I mean, once you know a bot-free, fully verified, privacy-first web is actually possible, it kind of makes you question every single search you perform on the legacy web today. Keep questioning what you see out there, guys, and thanks for joining me for this explainer. See you next time.